show you a guide. Since there's a dead crayfish, one dead crayfish, I will transfer this, all of the crayfish from here to the growl pond, because it's too risky. So let me remove first the filter. Okay, I will remove the cover. This cover will prevent the crayfish to escape. Okay, I'll just place right there. Make sure it's clear. This is one of my collection with the molting. Alright. So I turned the filter off, and I'll be showing you what's the reason why this setup on the sun. Okay, so remove. Okay, I'll just place this on a safe place. Now that it's removed, this is easy. As you can see, that's the aquarium. This is the top cover. It's customized, and it's easy to move this way. Right? Right. Now it's in a safe place. The weight is all over there. Let me get a net. Okay. So this net and this hides. Make sure the net is heavy. Soak it first. Okay, now it's now heavy, right? Then place this net near to the hides. Okay, right. For me, it's like the size of this, or the length of this, is equal to the size of the net. So just tip here, and then make sure you will catch them. Make sure do not let go with oh, that's a disaster. Okay, make sure do not let go with the hides, because you will injure them, right? And let me get water from the pond, from the aquarium. My lights fall off. Right? So here we are. That's one of the reason the hides is like this. Like this. Okay? For you to easier to catch all of them. Now let's place them here. Alright. Allow them to crawl. And get some water. That's enough. Let's go with the second hide. So let's remove all of them. Alright. Let's move this a bit. Okay. As you can see, we can count them. Now, second hide. So place the net, right? And then, so you'll get the idea. And this is the behavior of the crayfish. On the side of the space, there should be a gap for them to molt, for them to have a place to molt, and give them an activity. They usually explore the sides and make sure they have like rope or rocks on the side so that they can do some activity on their own. But the main purpose of this is to have a place for them to molt, to change the skin, their exoskeleton. Crayfish usually molt on the corners. Right, so in that case, you might also train them not to put some food on the corners, because once the other crayfish is weak, they just molded and they have a jelly-like body, easier to snap with others or to eat with other crayfish. You don't want that to happen. So just for you to have a training on the crayfish, do not feed on the corners. That's also the reason why you should have a space. Ideally, it should be hides, and then you will just two hides and then feed on the center, not on the corners or on the side. And then the convenient way to get them, especially if you want to check if they are buried females or pregnant crayfish, this is also the best hides idea that you can get. And let me explain. Normally crayfish will only occupy the lower part, but if they are crowded, they also occupy the higher part. Most of the crayfish, like for example buried females, pregnant crayfish, or weak ones, they will isolate themselves, like they go up top and stay away from others. Right, now let's try to move all of them. Make sure you will have a grip to avoid injury on the crayfish, or might die. Make sure you have a tight grip, because I experienced once. Right. There's a net underneath. Okay, let's put that aside. Right? And all of them is on the net. Okay? This is what I'm telling you guys. This is about 60 crayfish inside my tank. That's no joke. For this size, 63 crayfish, and one of them died. Now I'll transfer them on the large one. Okay. So the rest of them will stay. Or I might catch the others. Okay. Let's carefully catch them. No, we can't. Right? It's difficult. So there's no Cherax. Oh, the Cherax distractor is on there. See the blue one? This one. This is the Cherax. Right. So what I will do is, it's difficult for me to carry them with the pod. Let me cut this video and I'll continue to catch all of them. Here, I'll be right back. I'll continue the video.